This Rongtaod Trunk Mat set is precisely contoured for recent Kia Sorento generations, including both 6-seat and 7-seat layouts, so coverage looks factory-made rather than generic. The package protects not only the cargo floor but also the second and third row seat backs, creating a continuous shield that keeps dirt, pet hair, and scuffs off the original upholstery. Its thermoplastic elastomer construction feels sturdy yet flexible, with no harsh smell and reliable resistance to cracking in very hot or very cold weather. The raised edges and waterproof surface do an excellent job containing spills and mud, making it much easier to keep the cargo area clean after grocery runs, sports gear, or camping trips. Installation is straightforward, with hook and loop fasteners on the backrest pieces that hold securely in place without drilling or extra hardware. Day-to-day upkeep is simple because debris shakes off easily, and the mats can be wiped or rinsed clean, helping the Sorento's interior stay tidy with minimal effort.